Today, I will show you a video of FreeBasic tutorial example that will allow you to learn basic inputting of data and displaying its output. First, make sure that you have your FreeBasic installed in your laptop. And then we can proceed. The first thing you need to do after opening the FreeBasic app is to create a new project. Simply click the File button at the top and find New Project. Next, input the project name. For example, My Tutorial, and its description, Tutorial. Next, change your path inside Drive C, this folder, and Project folder. Click OK. And now, let's get started. In here, I will set the first name that we will input as F name. Next, declare last name as L name. You can declare it with any name you want. And age as age. I set age as integer because we will input numbers for age later. Integer is for inputting numbers and string is for letters. After declaring the variables, use input to input first name. Last name. And age. And beside of it, type comma and its variable name. Use print to have spaces. Type print. And quote my name is. Plus the variable name of first name and last name. Use semicolon to read each. Variables must not be quoted. Read the code carefully. Observe every symbols. At the end, type sleep to close the program. Thanks for watching.